Mm. Ah. Good morning, my friends. Do you know who it is? Who this is? It is your friend, CryptoFace, and today might not be a long one, but we're here for not a long time in the eyes of the beholder, but a good time in the eyes of the gods. You see, the gods envy us. That being said, last week, we were looking at the daily on Bitcoin, and we were right here. Yellow wave was coming up. We were pinching. Money flow has been decreasing, and we were looking at Tuesday for a sell-off. Mondays, it's the first day of the week, so Monday we gather the info. Thought price could move, up. It did. Thought price would move up. It did. And nailed the timer. That is the beauty about market cipher. That's why options, guys. You trade in options, man. There's for those of you who only trade crypto and that's all you know, there's other things and other ways you can trade where there's other factors like time, where you have to be right at within a certain time, or at a certain time, or wrong. And it's nice to nail that. But anyways, so here we are. And what do we see? Well, we'll go from top to bottom, but the real shining star is this daily, a quite outwardly curved yellow wave, momentum potentially clipping, money flow been coming down, RSIs dropping, Heikin-Ashi candles, green, just starting to go in the red. Dual band strength index was 25, 26, 17, 12, reversing from a -5, -2, 5, 12 on the bear side. And I'm going to tell you something. If we flip this bitch, if this was the opposite and we were looking to long, this would be a juicy one. This makes me salivate. And listen, Bitcoin can seem so strong. Man, when it goes up, there's nothing like it. It's hard. Strong. And it does the same thing coming down. So yeah, I'm short Bitcoin for the macro. Other than that, let's take a look and see what we got here. Yeah, fighting resistance. Today I have to do a little one versus one trade-off on the Crypto War show. I was the bottom man last week, so I go into the losers 1v1 bracket. I guess we have to fight 1v1 till whoever last man standing till the end, whatever it is. So I'll be doing that today. And to be honest, I really haven't been happy with my trading. But you know what? I've been trying to swing, and you know, when you take swings, especially when you only have an hour and a half to trade, when the day's over and there's no volatility, which is really what's been going on with the show, I've just been killing myself with fees. You know what I'm saying? And on top of that, I trade just have moving. So really, I'm in the bottom because of fees. And so we're gonna summon old CF, and I'm gonna try to be smart today in the 1v1, and hopefully, you know, do well. If not, it's no big deal. But damn, there was a point I was gonna make with that, and it slipped my mind. Oh yes, yesterday I dialed in and had 3 back-to-back little trades, just 3 back-to-back little trades, nothing to brag about. It didn't make a whole bunch of money. Pulled up. It was easy, man. It was just like up, we hit resistance, shorted right here. I was short, long, shorted kind of. I remember I shorted kind of late. This isn't the right chart, whatever it is. It's over here, but I shorted a little late, got out, barely made anything. Long that bitch, got out, shorted that shit. It was just so easy. This was nice, just playing it small. And you know, I always used to tell you guys I still tell you guys, small wins, small losses, big wins. And so I have to retrain myself because, guys, I haven't been active. I really haven't been trading, and it shows. I've been trading like shit on this damn show. Took the Rari out for a little spin. Sat down, saw small wins, small losses, big wins. And then they added up to be, you know, a little decent something. This market's wiki, man. It's wiki. But overall, I think it's kind of it's wicked. We'll see. This is a dangerous place right here. Looking for this crossover. Money bleeding out. And that's okay. I'm not saying it's the end of the world. You know what I'm saying? It's not the end of the world. Where we'll go, nobody knows. Yeah, I mean the daily is just the daily just if you just flip it upside down on the daily. Whoops. Just doing the inverse, man. If we flip this, ooh, I'd be longing so hard. Other than that, you know, Market Cipher has been around for a long time. We've been doing this for a long time. So many of you guys have been here for a long time. Whether you've been here for a long time or a short time, I appreciate you being here. And, you know, now there's starting to be kind of a plethora of Market Cipher, more Market Cipher traders out there that started trading with Market Cipher and started doing YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, knick-knack, you name it. And I'm a big believer. If I see something in somebody that I believe they are true to themselves and true to their people, they have a good understanding of Market Cipher and they're successful, then I want to put their ass on. I want to put them on. It wouldn't be the first time that we put some people on around here, just like others put me on before me, like Crypto Zombie, like BitBoy, when they helped us out, our channel out, gave us those boosts. Whatever industry you're in, if you're successful, if you see something in someone below you, and I'm saying it in the most humble way, but you know, but it's, you know, but put them on. And it's kind of tough. Trading's tough. You got to be careful. So it takes a little bit of a vetting process, but there might be a couple people that I want to introduce you guys to, because especially since I haven't been around that much, you know, at least trading wise, you know, I'm working every day. I'm busy as hell. Think my life has changed. But man, watching, you know, yesterday, me and my brother were watching the $2 million profit world record stream. You know, 6 hours, 2 million, start to finish, long and short, Ethereum, Bitcoin. Man, it is such a great stream. And man, we say some funny shit. I was talking about, I'm seeing iguana. I was looking like an iguana. I'm iguana-eyed all these screens. And it was just, man, I was in that flow state. And, yeah, that shit was awesome. And we still have fun trading. You know, I'm acting like I haven't been, you know, trading for 20 years or something. Like I've been retired for 20 years or something. You know, most people disappear during like a bear market and then they reappear during a bull run. We were hard at work and here during bear, bull, Banjo Kazooie. We supported many channels when they lost damn near, if not all, pretty much all of the other sponsorships. Market Cipher was here, man. And so I don't know why I'm going on this rant, but I'm just trying to fill up the space. At the end of the day, the daily is what I'm going off on. You know, this my feeling right now is you know, I want to make this, you know, I don't even know. But I want to do less, make more, and focus on just improving Market Cipher, the community, putting people on because it helps everyone. You know, there's a lot of traders and a lot of communities out there that are excellent traders, but man, they're little twerps. You know, they don't have diplomacy. There's enough for everybody. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking individual level to from small to big. But anyways, you know, whatever. The daily on Bitcoin looks like shit. Okay, so we're gonna see, what day is it today? Thursday. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Yeah, I'm shorting this bitch. I am shorting this bitch. So giddy on up. Get along there, little loggy. Put your big boy pants on. And that's it. I appreciate you guys. You know what I'm saying? And, you know, fuck. I'm trading on that daily right now. So I'm setting it and forgetting it. Other than that, you can catch me today on, I might actually just, I'm actually probably just going to stream because the show, you know, only gets a couple hundred viewers. So I'm probably just going to stream today, the show on my channel. So y'all, you know, will know what's going on. And I'm not going to have you guys to back me up. And maybe you can help my ass out. So, toodaloo. Good luck to you. And God bless you. This is CryptoFace. I'll see you guys later.